Hi guys, this is Keith from everythingwares.com. This time I'm going to show you on how you're going to save your files in Visual Studio 2012. So let's say we already have created our first application. So this is the application, but it looks scrappy though. So the main purpose of this tutorial is just for you guys to have an overview on how you're going to save your files. So all you need to do is just to click on File, then Save All. By the time you're going to click on Save All, you will be able to see the name of your application, which is by default Windows Application 1. So you can change that one to anything you like. So for example, I'm going to change this one to My Application. There. Now this is the location where you're going to save your file. Now you can change that one depending upon your preference. So for example, if I'm going to save this one to my desktop, just click on the Browse icon, click on my desktop, then I'm just going to create a folder in there. So I'm going to name this one as my VS projects. There you go. So I'm just going to click on select folder, then save. There you go. Now let's check if the file was successfully saved on that particular folder. Just go to your desktop, hover your mouse over the VS projects, then there you go, there's my application. Now if you want to send your application to a different user, or you want to send it via email or Google Drive, you can just right click on that folder, then be sure that you have installed a WinRAR or zipping application. For me, I'm using WinRAR, so I'm just going to click on add to my application.rar. There you go. So this file will be easily sent even on Facebook Messenger, even on Gmail, or even on Google Drive. So that's it. That's how you're going to save your files in Visual Studio 2012. This is Keith again from everythingwares.com. Everything Wears.